Moving is a challenge between time and space. The wheel always been the best companion in transporting people and live unique journeys, but never before it's been changed in shape and function. Revolve is being designed and invented with aim to be the first modular wheel, which will open new frontiers for the present and future of the foldable vehicles. The space is getting less and more busier, and the speed of life quicker. Deconstructing the mobility starting from the wheel is a new challenge that can bring new and more efficient vehicles for everyday life. Large wheels are required all human-powered transportation for performance and efficiency. The wheel folded reduces its space up to 60%. With Revolve, you will be able to travel everywhere and easily carry the wheel between trains, airplanes and cars. With a simple action, you can open and close the wheel. Its unique hexagon structures allow to have a solid and an iconic design in both open and closed configurations. The airless tire allows a unique compactness and modularity. Patented mechanism is being reached after years of several hundred 3D models and dozens of physical prototypes in order to get the most efficient and accurate folding mechanism. The wheelchair can benefit from large wheel, easy to store everywhere at any time. Compact and solid, Revolve allows the user to safely use the wheelchair in every condition with a modularity never seen before. Potentially designed for bicycle and wheelchair, Revolve has the flexibility to be integrated to future foldable vehicles.
Revolve, the wheel in a new form.
Is a new breed of automaker, and we want to challenge the idea of what a car can be. We started with a few simple goals. To empower short trips, to have a design that makes sense for modern cities, to have a minimal impact on the environment, and most importantly, to be affordable by everyone. While I was studying architecture in New York, I realized the biggest disruption to urban design was the elevator. By empowering vertical movement, elevator transforms cities. That's when I realized a simple vehicle has the power to reshape our communities. I'm proud to say we have accomplished that and so much more. We reinvented the NEV category and created the most compact, intuitive, and energy-efficient vehicle. We like to think of Eli Zero as the iPad if conventional cars were laptops. It provides a radically simplified and superior experience for local trips. And the best part is, Eli Zero only costs a third of a normal car. Manufacturing runs in my family's blood. From lawnmowers to golf carts, so I know it's a rare opportunity to be able to create something that can have a profound impact in people's everyday life. Whether you're going to the gym, grabbing some food, or going to the market, Eli Zero makes it easy to get from A to B.
This is the first time a product like ours has been launched on Indiegogo. We're excited to bring our product to life on the community you built. Now is your chance to change the future of transportation and join our campaign today.
Design starts with a fluid process of laying down the first lines. Seeing your ideas and concepts take shape before you. It's imperative to capture the essence of your idea and to be able to communicate it clearly and quickly. Tools that aid this process, that allow you to focus on your work, are a requirement, not a luxury. Rotio have created a new tool that is an extension of the creative process. The interaction is refined and novel. Your eye follows the rotation and the way the line is formed, immersing you in your work. A great outcome is the result of great process. Rotio and Rotio Plus seamlessly integrate into any designer's workflow.
Don't you know that plastic straws are bad for the environment? What is this? Ugh. If you're gonna suck, suck on this. This is Final Straw, the world's first collapsible, reusable, totally badass straw. Straws are supposed to be convenient, right? So we decided to do something about it. This is Final Straw. Final Straw folds up to the size of a car key and fits in this sexy case. Final Straw is small enough to fit in your purse or pocket. But if you don't have pockets, you can just... Uh-oh, where'd it go? If you can remember your keys when you leave the house, you'll remember your straw. It fits on your keychain, so there's no way you're gonna leave it in your car.
And there's no need to worry about keeping it clean. Included in each straw is a specially designed squeegee. Simply pull it through the straw to make sure it's squeaky clean.
Final Straw is BPA-free, dishwasher safe, and with our patented design, the ends are soft, so it's safe for human children and their adults. There you go, little buddy.
This straw may seem small, but because of its size, it's actually very harmful to the environment. Straws can't be recycled, so they're often left here in the ocean where they hurt and kill my friends in the sea.
There you go. Go be free. Since you've hit play on this video, we've discarded this many straws in the US alone. Pretty bad, right?
Included in each straw are some of these little cards. Next time you're at a restaurant, leave one with the bill and let them know to only serve straws upon request. There's a movement happening and you can be at the front of it. Together we can make a really big impact and save our oceans one straw at a time.
This is Final Straw. Suck responsibly.